As we've already seen, digitalization is becoming more and more important, especially for our safety. What are you doing for our safety? Our vehicles have a lot of sensors that make them safer and support drivers. Digitalization allows us to transfer the data they collect to the cloud, where we evaluate it and share information with other vehicles about any hazards that have been identified. Where do you get the data from? BMW has a fleet of over 700,000 vehicles. We extract the data from those and use them for the service. Okay, but you don't have just your own fleet. There are plenty more sources of information as well. We're enhancing this function with a company called HERE, the largest mapping service for automotive maps. HERE also has data from other manufacturers and from weather radars, so we can offer the best possible service. Okay, so I'll always know what's ahead because someone else has already hit the black ice, for instance. That's right. Our aim is to warn you well in advance that there's a patch of black ice coming up so you can slow down and stay safe. Perfect. Sounds great. Thank you very much.
Bitte gern.
Saskia and digitalization. What's the connection here? Or rather, what do all these car parts have to do with digitalization? Well, we're here in additive manufacturing, 3D printing. Here at BMW, 3D printing is a digital production method because all you need for it is the digital dataset. You don't need to make special tools anymore. So you can focus on aspects like load. This i8 Roadster component, for instance, is lighter and stiffer because of that. But you can also customize parts, like this trim panel for the Mini. These panels can have any name written on them and are really easy to fit and remove, or to make with different textures or writing on them. Great. Well, let's see how it's fitted or taken out. It looks really easy. That's right. All you have to do is slide the hook into the slit on the side. The panels are easy to put in and take out, and BMW's patented lock system makes it very easy to exchange. But how would you get my name onto there? How can you really personalize the part? We've specially developed a web customizer for that, which you can find at yours-customize.mini. You just put in the name or the icon you want, or change the texture of the product.